Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here with Fisherdrumming.com. What's up to all my YouTube drummers, Instagram drummers, Facebook drummers, and all you other musical cats that love to tune in. Thanks for checking out this drum lesson with me. I'm really stoked to go over this lesson with you. This is a linear kick drum exercise that is going to help you develop speed and coordination between hand and foot. So it's going to be a really good lesson, and we'll jump right in. But first, I want to shout out to Ahead Drumsticks for hooking me up with their product that's been out for a little while called the Switch Kick. Now, the Switch Kick is a bass drum beater system that lets you quickly swap out different heads. Super cool, changes your sound. It also changes the feel. So if you're playing in a musical situation where you need a different sounding kick or a different feel, you can quickly swap it out, and I'll show you a few of them that I have. So these are 4 different ones that I use. In this video, I'm going to be using the standard rock felt beater. I love the sound I get with this. We're going to be using this one, and you'll see how good it sounds. Okay, so now let's jump right into the lesson so you can start learning and burning. This is an exercise that I came up with, and it's been extremely useful. It's helped me get a lot faster and develop better coordination between my hands and my kick drum. So this is one of 4 lessons that are at Fisherdrumming.com, all to help you get better with your kick drum. And if you notice anything about good drummers, is that they play clean and they play accurately between their hands and their feet. So this is why I created this lesson pack, to get your foot up to par with your hands so they can work well together, and that you can be more creative, more effective, that your speed can be there as well as the clean control. So check that out, guys. This is just one of the other 3 that you can get at Fisherdrumming.com. The breakdown's pretty simple. We're doing singles between our hands and our kick drum. We're also throwing in some doubles with the kick drum, and it's in a reverse pyramid setup. So we're playing a lot of notes, and then we're repeating it but taking out some notes, and it gets skinnier on the way down, and it's a repetitive process that's going to build that speed and control. Okay, so there's 5 different groupings and 5 different variations of this total pyramid. It's linear, so our hands and our feet are going to be playing separately. Don't worry about 8th notes, 32nd notes. We're just alternating singles back and forth between our hand and our kick drum. To make it easy, we're just going to count our hands, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 5th, we hit with our hand, and we end it with a double. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick. And then all we're doing is going back to the hand and doing a quick right, and then starting the whole chain over on the left side. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick right left. And then once we start with our left hand, it's the same thing. We're just starting at the 1. So right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick, and then back to the right, left, right. We're always going to be alternating our hands. We end it with a left and it goes back to the right. So we go right side, and then we repeat it. Right side, left side again with the same amount of notes. So altogether we're playing that pattern 4 times. 2 with the right, 2 with the left. Altogether, I'm just going to play that with my hands on my legs and my foot going. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick right left, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick left right, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick right left, 2, 3, 4, 5 kick kick left, and then we go on to the next one. But just get that down first. Just get the understanding down. You can play it if you're watching it on the couch or just sitting somewhere. You can literally just play it with your hands on your lap, on your legs, and your foot on the ground. That's the way I'm showing you. That's the way you can actually practice it right now before you get on the drums, if you're not on the drums yet. So after you do those, I'm going to call that the 5, because we're playing 5 up top with our hands before we switch. Then we just break it down. We knock a set of the singles off, and we go down to 4. We're counting 4 with our hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4 kick kick right left, 2, 3, 4 kick kick left right, 2, 3, 4 kick kick right left, 2, 3, 4 kick kick left right, and then we're going down to the tier now that's 3 singles, or 3 right hands and 3 left hands. So it'd be 1, 2, 3 kick kick, and then we're going to 2, which is 1, 2 kick kick right left, 2 kick kick. So after the 2, there is the last variation, which is just 1 single followed by the double kick. So right after the double kick, we go alternate to the left side, which is the right, left, kick, kick, and then back, left, right, kick, kick. So it's really right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, right, kick, right, left, kick, left, bam, and you can come down on that last one. I'm going to be crashing on that last one, but really it ends with that left hand. I know that sounds like it's confusing and it's a lot, but I promise you it's a fun pattern. And remember, cool, linear, and useful linear fills are always these simple patterns combined in creative ways. So I promise you, this exercise is not only going to help you develop coordination between your hand and your kick, it's going to help you develop ideas because we're combining singles and doubles, okay? That's going to help you develop more ideas and fills and useful combinations on the drums. Give this a shot. We're going to play the whole thing all the way through this time. And just listen. If it's not making full sense yet, take a listen all the way through. I'll play it at a nice BPM, slow BPM of 80 beats per minute, so you can listen along. Play along though, if you can, and just get an understanding. Even if you're not on a drum set, just play on your lap like I'm showing you, so you can get the pattern memorized. Once you get the pattern memorized, it's easy. Then you're just working on cleaning it up, getting speed down, and getting control and timing down. Okay, so play it along with me here, nice and slow. Okay, so hopefully now you're starting to understand the pattern and get familiar with it. And practice it really slow at first until you get that pattern memorized completely, because there's no use in speeding something up if you don't have it fully memorized in your head, because then you're just going to be making mistakes. And it's not that you can't play it fast, it's just that it's not so, it's not coming as natural because you're having to think and remember the pattern. So just get it down nice and slow first. And just go at your own tempo, whatever tempo it is that you need to just remember everything and play it all the way through clean. Then once you start getting familiar with it really well, start upping the tempo and working on that speed. So goal tempo is anywhere between 120 to 140 BPMs. Now I'm still working on it, so I want to get it even faster than where I have it now. I'm not saying I have it as fast as you can get it. This is something I'm still working on. And I've still put in the time and play this fun exercise because I'm seeing improvements. This has been something I've been practicing for probably the last 6 months. Something I came up with that's really helped me. So, give it time. You don't get quick overnight. You don't get quick within the first week, but you will develop that consistent speed if you're practicing it on a regular basis. So here's what it sounds like at a few faster tempos. really will notice when you're practicing this, it'll start burning out your foot pretty quickly because your foot's just constantly going. It's using singles and it's using doubles, but you'll start noticing, you know, it might be harder on your left side, whatever your weaker hand is, and that's the good things. That's going to be strengthening your weak links. It's going to be strengthening any deficiency in speed. It's going to be strengthening your deficiency in coordination between your hand and kick, your left hand versus your right hand, all of those things. Another thing is you got to be practicing to a metronome because it's going to help you develop that good sense of timing where your notes are coming down on time and on the beat. Okay, now that you've seen how this exercise works, I want to encourage you guys, if you need to work on your kick drum in speed, in timing, in control, in coordination, visit my website at Fisherdrumming.com. There's 3 other bass drum exercises on there that aren't only going to help you develop your kick drum, they're going to help you develop those other areas that I just mentioned. I offer these lessons for extremely cheap, like the price of a cup of coffee. So if you enjoy my free lessons, I'd love it if you could support me on my website. Thanks again for checking out this lesson with me. Please comment below. Tell me your feedback. I hope this helps you, and I hope to see you on the next lesson. Make sure you subscribe below and like it, share it, whatever you can do to spread the word. I appreciate all the feedback. I've been getting so much cool stuff, so many cool comments and messages and emails from people all over the world. So it's really fun to be doing this with you guys, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Take care.